This is going to be the first time something like this has been done. And I know I'm just really making a broad statement out there, but I believe it's going to be a first of its kind, because if you know anything about me, you know that I'm super honest when it comes to things, and I tell you the good with the bad, regardless how you're going to feel about me. So now you really get to see the things, the no filter, and things that I'm thinking about before I deploy money into an asset. And I wanted you guys to have that same opportunity, so that, you know, it might be something that I tell you or we tell you in the process that we're not even in this yet, but we tell you about it and we dissect the project to a point where you say, well, damn y'all, I'm going to go get in it. You get in it. We're not in it. And you make a boatload of money. That's just how it works with the process. But we're not hiding anything from you. You get behind the scenes of things we're talking about, maybe to invest in or for the show and things like that. So I feel like it's a great opportunity for someone who is trying to learn a little bit more about not only investing, but how to invest wisely.